clap the cheeks. Clap up the
What's
cheeks.
up,
No, I
guys?
like that.
Today we're going to
You
be
like
doing
that.
admin reviews
That's
for
good.
Steal a Brain
That's
Rot.
good.
It starts in another 3 hours. I said that last time for my part 1. Did not happen. But we're just going to be playing some Steal a Brain Rot. And this is my PlayStation account. And then not that much stuff good on it. But then let's do it. I got Kayla's stream playing right now, right here, and let's just play.
Yeah. No, that's good. That's good. All right, it's time, bro. It's time. Do you want me to send you? Should I join yours? All right. Send it up. Send it up.
I'm going to join public server to try to get some steals. See if we can get in this base.
Let's go, Z's.
Dude, are you excited for the chicken jockey or the Uncle Turkey thing?
Yes, I am excited. Oh, did you see the Ginger Isakola or whatever?
Ginger Esoc? What?
Go to leak.
But I don't have a base.
That's not.
You know, go to leaks. Go to leaks. You'll see it. Ginger Esoc. It's not coming out today, but I think it'll come out obviously Christmas. But yeah. Yo, 8 minutes is here. Yo, guys, this is the accurate timer, by the way. 3 hours and 26 minutes. So welcome. 3 hours, bro.
Okay. So grab some top. Let's
Ooh.
do a little miniature break.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh wait.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Low stocking blocks are the worst thing that.
Nah.
Well, there you go, guys. I got a steal. I might just delete this video. Kind of sucked.
No, we're gonna get a biker today. We're gonna get a biker today. I actually feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. Skibidi Whistler, thank you for the